Hi everyone, this is Christine with Hallelujah Creations, and today I just wanted to show you how to make some ephemera stamps by using toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls, or you can use any kind of boxes, cereal boxes. I had cut up a Cheerios box, and any kind of box that you can come up with, you can always use the back side of this. So all the packaging you get in the mail, I try to recycle through doing crafts. Okay, so I just wanted to show you quickly what I did. I took my, I know these are fabric scissors, and shame on me because I've probably run them. But I don't have my other ones with me, so I'm using these. And I just take it and cut the roll in half. And then I just take the other side and I just cut these however, or whatever size you want, basically. You can do long ones, short ones, little ones. I also made these butterfly ones. So you can just use your cutters to get this shape, and then you can take your inks. And so what I did is I just inked the edges, and I used different distressed ink, different colors. I have all the colors of the distressed ink that you can get at Hobby Lobby or on Amazon. And so I just, took them and did around the edges like this, and colored them the whatever color I wanted. And then once I did that, I went to my stamp collection and I got my stamps out. Now, I don't know the name of these, but you can probably find them again on Hobby Lobby or Amazon. But this is a stamp, kind of a stamp collection, and these are the ones that I used to make this. These, like here's one. Says paid, which is this one. So I just take my stamp, put it in my ink, and I have one of these block stamps, so I just put it there and then take it down and stamp it on the paper. So I did that and I made the stamps, and then I decided to do these on just some basic cards. So the bicycle, I did, where's all the different ones I have? Okay, so I have the butterflies, the bicycle. I made some leaves I had. Here's the bicycle. And then I had a car, so I made some of these. These will just go in the journals on some pockets or whatever you want to use them for. And then I had some bags that I stamped. You can also, ahead of time, stamp up some cards that you can cut out later. So it's a good way just to build your stash for your books. All right, so I hope that helps. So don't throw away your toilet paper rolls because they do come out handy. All right, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please hit the notifications button. It will tell you when I put out a video. And please hit subscribe and have a blessed day. Thank you.